Hello everybody! In this video, we'll show you some features Flexmonster has in the context menu. The context menu items depend on the cell type, a field header, member cell, or value cell. Let's explore a field header's context menu. You can use it to open the filter view, move the field to rows, columns, or report filters, and remove the field from the slice. Now let's move payment method to report filters and filter our report to show only purchases made by credit card. You can also use the context menu to hide or show subtotals on the classic pivot table. For member cells, you can drill up and down multi-level hierarchies via the context menu. You can also apply ascending or descending sort order or remove sorting. If the slice has several fields in rows or columns, the context menu allows expanding or collapsing the inner field values. And of course, you can filter by a member or exclude it from the slice. For value cells, you can use the context menu to drill through a cell and see raw data that compose the cell's value. In addition, you can change an aggregation for your measure. It's also more convenient to define the number formatting through the context menu, as you can choose the measure you want to format right on the grid. Seeing the slice displayed, you can also remove the unnecessary measures. In the same way, you can easily manage conditional formatting. The context menu is also available in pivot charts. Each graphical element has a drill-through feature and a list of aggregations to choose from. Now you know how to quickly reach all the necessary features from the context menu and make your work easier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.